Hi guys, I make stuffed crab. So that's why I make himay-himay my crab into a little and then make chop the bombay, the onion, a little small, a garlic, chop also. I have onion leaves. I make slice in a little. Then I make balat-balat the carrots and slice a little. Okay, be careful to slice in your hands and then make slice there and put there. Then I have also parsley, black pepper, cumin, and then I have 1 tablespoon cornstarch, salt, and 1 egg. Then I mix all together. So the crab is combined, and I put to the, and then make halo the ingredients, and then I put in the crab shells all together. I have air fryer. I put in the air fryer 200 Celsius in 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's done. Yummy!